Westwood Electrics, and as you know, we're always doing something on the leading edge of helping out customers with their charging and starting needs. We had a customer call in for a YZ450F. He wanted to make more power out of his unit. I believe he said he was going to do a supermoto, or he was going to turn it into a woods bike. So what we ended up doing, he sent his parts in, we stripped his stator down, and we rewound it for a higher output. Along with the higher output, we also provided him with a rectifier regulator that will be able to handle the extra charge. Now what we got out of this whole deal was, at 2,000 RPM, instead of 94 watts, we have 126. And when you're up into 3,500 RPM, where most people are riding anyway, it went from 100 watts to 152. That's a 50% increase. This piece that we did was a 2010 to 2013 unit. I don't see any reason why the later models after that we can't help you. If you've got one of them, send it in, we'll try to work with it.